Brought the old loom, engine loom through the little fucking hole that's already nicely drilled there from the last loom. Please visit the link below. Just click on the link.
God damn it. It's not working.
Nice.
Dual action.
Yeah,
That was very
Jewel.
close.
Insert noise.
Weep, weep.
Got the full pedal for modulation here now, and this is really why not never really gets done.
It's good.
Yeah, it is good. This is great. So over the lockdown, got some fans and a Sam Q throttle cable relocation kit for the throttle setup on the 20 valve, which is lovely. So possibly fit all this stuff, and finish up the loom. Brian has been putting the loom in. So, what's that mesh stuff called?
Mesh.
Just mesh.
Nylon overbraid.
Nylon overbraid. Finger traps. He's been putting that over the loom. It looks very tidy, and his finger and his PP, and
Oh no, my PP stuck to my finger.
he's mocking it all up. Starting to look more like a thing that will do something someday.
So what's the other one? It's 58?
Nice bit of stuff. So with this, you don't have to use the 20 valve cable loom, so you just use the original standard 86 cable, and it just routes it underneath instead of it coming all the way up around on the engine. So nice and tidy. Downpull 4AG throttle linkage kit from Sam Q. So yeah, cheers for that, Sam. Should look nice. Clutch line. We had a braided one, but it was too fucking long, so it's back to the original. So yeah, hand brush painted this, so hopefully it doesn't look shit.
Top quality like the rest of the car.
Yeah, well the rest of it's been above and beyond.
TQ.
You didn't like that one?
I did. Hopefully there's no more scutter in there.
Well, just the sealer that I'm rubbing off of it.
Right.
The black.
So we're mounting this
Silicone.
for good.
Well, I have to put the linkage on.
Yeah.
Take off the mask.
So the other linkage would come up around and then mounts across the top if you know the 20 valve. And this is going to go underneath and be more with the stealth look that we're going for with the engine bay. Cool. So brought the old loom, engine loom through the little fucking hole that's already nicely drilled there from the last loom. Got them pretty decent last time. Didn't you remember you were calibrating them just like they were off a little bit, but now they're not.
So this should go here. No, I don't know, does it?
Installation.
Yeah, it's a flat.
Please visit the link below. Just click on the link.
God damn it.
It's not working. That's what the kids do.
Please visit the link below.
Everything's touch.
And then on this then they'll be trying to touch it, yeah. Highlight and touch.
And then this will...
Alright, so
Yeah,
that goes
it's the
down
cable.
out of the way, yeah.
So that center one has to get its thing taken off.
That goes there.
Right.
Cable pulls
Oh
from
yeah, just
underneath.
pulls right there, yeah.
Yeah.
So this replaces that, or
I don't know, does it come off? Because that is what drives this fella. So I don't know, do you have to keep it? Or do you have to cut something? I don't know. We'll have to follow
Well,
the link.
click the link. Fuck! Jesus Christ Almighty!
It's in there.
She hasn't been off in many a year.
No, we'll have to.
Use the V's.
The book of armaments.
Click the link.
Now you can record this bit, look.
The simple.
So, yeah.
So easy.
Oh, there's vapor blast in the middle here as well.
Everywhere.
Gets in alright, doesn't it?
It does.
Does be doing. So you think there's that?
You know,
Or was it the other?
it was the other all the way around and kind of catches into. Yeah,
Oh yeah.
that's what. Well, yeah, I would imagine so. Yeah, yeah. It's quite a snug fit.
Needs to be.
No, it's definitely the.
And
Yeah. That's the only way it can go.
Not
much tread.
No, there is, like, it's not in actually.
No, it's not on fully at all. I'd say you might have to lose the washer.
Yeah.
It's the same
okay.
way putting Nigel on it.
Nigel lock. I
A
don't think
Nigel
I've
on
any-
it.
I don't have any really thin Nigel
No,
locks.
they're always
Quite
fat,
sturdy.
so the point doesn't actually get
Yeah,
there.
like
Like
Big X through the washer.
Yeah.
Oh,
No to the washer.
Where's the-
that's some tread lock.
So
We're just copying the instructions here. Yeah,
So
there's
you
a
have to put
huge
this on the
extra dash.
X.
Yeah.
Big red, you have to get it.
Ideal.
That's it.
God. He's eventually probably going to watch this and just think we're fucking idiots.
guns.
Yeah, sorry, Sam. We're just being fucking idiots.
Let's get some tread lock.
Yeah.
Yeah. Got it.
That's it then, really, isn't it?
Wait now. Oh yeah.
Refer to image. Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
You sure?
Yes.
Hand tight.
Right. So we need to remove this.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh.
That was believable.
It actually was.
Washer gone.
Oh yeah. We have to. This knot has to be. Oh wait now. So
That nut needs to
this
go there.
knot has to go onto the arrow,
Yep.
and the washer has to go.
On the X.
Onto
Onto
the
the
X. Yes.
Let's get
But
this.
now the knot is beside the washer X and not at the arrow.
Damn.
We'll just keep going and see what happens. And this goes on here.
Yay. Great tutorial. There we go.
This is why I do a how-to on my YouTube channel.
Yeah. Just click this link.
Head-
Imagine we just made loads of videos of just doing nothing. People would probably enjoy them if they were just going nowhere. So it pulls from the bottom.
And you can still utilize the original kit
Okay.
if need be. Doesn't
Can't see it.
doesn't
Interfere
interfere.
anymore.
Doesn't interfere.
Can't see interfere either, like, no.
No, we're not allowed to say anything anymore. We need to censor the entire channel.
So I'm just figuring out which one goes where.
They're not doing any continentals at all, like, are they?
Nice.
Dual action.
Yeah.
Double, very
Jewel.
close. Very close together, though.
Yeah. That's nice now.
But if you like,
Here is a painted pipe already.
Was it?
yeah,
I think it's wrecked though,
Yeah,
is
that
it?
one's mangled.
think.
That one's in the spare
Yeah.
kit.
But
For
if
the
anyone's
next-
into heavy metal music, you should definitely listen to.
Yeah.
Autosol.
The latest band from Poland, Autosol, and they are Polish metal. But they're actually made in Germany.
Okay, let off. No, I did it wrong again.
Ah, you can fish her up.
Oh no, I can't. Send her around. You realize I'm doing this for no reason.
Why? Because it has to come off again. Insert noise.
Weep, weep,
There we go.
weep, weep.
Down pull,
Bro.
bro. It is quite nice that it just does that. Because the old kit goes up
Yeah.
here.
Wait now. That's not it. That's not it. That's not it. Whoa.
Alright, yeah. And because we coated this in zinc, it looks like something from a garden shed.
And then of course there's this as
And
well.
then that goes up here. So it's just quite a busy. It is like it's
Yeah.
pretty just, you know.
Toyota. And of course these wear.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's the classic.
No, well just these little ball
it looks a
fellas.
bit worn. So now more throttly responso.
So that you can do this.
It's better throttle response.
Your hand. Yeah, I'm just curious.
Yeah, we're curious.
I'm curious.
We're all curious. So we're putting back on the OG hardware.
I think it's actually nicer.
Nah, I don't think so. It's very cluttered. Here we go. Now for pulling demonstration.
Oh, it doesn't feel as nice.
No?
It's definitely heavier.
Yeah. So here is the original setup. And now all this is gone. And it pulls down. I'm sure everyone knows that. They've seen it. We've been talking about it for the last few minutes, but...
Does it pull down?
Does it pull down or pull across?
I'm pulling right at the minute.
Yeah. Pulling right. Nice. Nice.
And apologies to the Japanese engineers that made it in the first place.
Yeah. Sorry lads, but someone did a better job, maybe. Depending.
But for mass production, this is
probably
quicker.
That looks very complicated though. Whereas this is
Very,
Classic
very
Toyota though, building super overcomplicated things just because.
Okay. It's definitely a bit stiffer.
if you do
right?
A or B or R.
This probably would have
Or
been
we could
100
make
times fucking easier.
C.
Yeah. Well,
Just keep your cables
thanks,
loose.
Sam. It only took about 4 months to arrive because of coronavirus.
Yeah.
They don't look too bad with the socks on them. Get the full pedal for modulation here now, and this is really why nothing ever really gets done.
It's good.
Yeah, it is. It is good. This is great.
So productive.
Yeah. All the effort that goes into this as well, just to make sure that this will work.
Okay. I'm quite happy now. Thank
Do
you.
you enjoy that? Yeah.
Yeah.
Itch has been scratched.
Well, we know now. like,
Yeah. Well, we know. No one on the camera will know, but we know, and that's really what's important. So
No more questions.
I'm all questioned out after that. So now we are putting in the clutch slave cylinder.
You're not allowed to say slave cylinder.
You're not allowed to say slave cylinder in 2020. So we're going to have to call it something else.
Primary and secondary.
We're installing the secondary clutch cylinder.
You can have it under the engine bay.
Yeah.
The first drive with the trumpets.
Yeah. Got the
If we
track.
don't get this finished tonight, we're going to lose shop.
Will the guys finish it tonight? Find out next on Discovery Turbo. Or whatever.
Before the break.
Guys, we're gone 50 grand over budget. So now the slave that we can't call the slave set up. Very awkward spot to hang out in. Now we need to tighten this. This is all done. This is ready to go. Lovely. It's really nice under here. Look at that Cusco drain plug.
Working reverse.
Jesus, that goes in far. It's the
Speedo.
Speedo cable.
So that goes down. There's a nice
Take
little,
out the super turbo light now.
see the little flappy thing that you had.
Oh right, that goes
Hold on that.
right then. To become a vehicle. There's a Speedo cable that we destroyed in silicone spray. It's probably going to get dirty after about fucking 10 seconds of it outside. It's for Damien, really.
Yeah. Nobody else.
We really committed to that joke. I think they're zinced. No, I don't think they are from factory.
No, they're just rusty.
It's just they're actually just rusty from factory.
They come.
Like all this shit.
The part number has R at the end for
Yeah,
rust.
for rust. It was that one.
Basically
Was,
that,
yeah, it
the
was
bare steel. That
It was
goes
very
rusty.
bad.
They say
Probably should have painted this, but sure, look, no one's ever going to see
to
it.
change the bushing, to fit a bushing. This clip,
Right then.
it's just like a circlip.
Right. Out.
Yeah.
Up.
You just want to plonk it down in there.
So it just goes down in there.
Yeah,
That's it.
Now I've already put in the two, which I don't think they're the new ones, but they're.
Do I have the new ones?
I don't know where they were.
So my gearbox feels like a bag of shit. So these will make it crispy.
Nice.
So the black. This one goes in first.
Yeah.
Just in there, then the bottom.
Lay it down flat. That's the usual one that it disintegrates,
Right.
turns into your engine, into your gear oil.
Then
The green cone.
the green.
Now this one's a bit of a nightmare to go in
Because it has to go in.
past the little fucking nubbins.
Right.
Do you have gear oil there?
Yeah, there's there. Probably shouldn't have all these like nice new bits in when I'm doing this shit. So, yeah, little nylon shift collar, but then the Cusco ones were on special offer somewhere on the internet on RHD Japan. So I bought one of these. Okay.
He's usually happy.
Oh Jesus, I'm stuck.
If only this camera could smell.
Oh fucking hell, the smell of shit. And gearbox oil. I'm gonna get sick. Don't mind, look. Fucking gear oil will fall all over this thing. This armpit smell. I've laid the clutch, lad. Another step now, we'll be clutch kicking our way down to Mullinabraw. Lad.
Linky throttles.
That's nice then.
Throttly links.
Snaky.
Little cock of the arse.
Snaky throttle. 5.1 dot.
For your clutch.
Yeah. High boiling point. Mint, lad. This top tip to put in the shift collar. Cusco shift collar, dude. This just mashes in on top of that then, is it?
Yeah, that drops in. So the two slots and the two nipple thingies drop in. Like so. Now, E-clip.
Clip it in.